playing this game called Common Breed. This is the game I've been wanting to play for you guys so much. I wanted to play, and I'm here for the boss. This is the boss. He's smiling, and I got this new cool guy. It's the Death Ray 2000. So I'm just gonna quickly grab this guy. Oh, this guy's not too bad. Look. And you have to protect your tower. This is my tower. And you have to protect it by this guy. Oh my god, this is not the place I wanted to put in. How much money do I have? Oh, I have enough money. Go like that. No more money. I just want to see it. I mean, it's better. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna put this one here. No, I'm gonna put in which one? Oh, I got the flamethrower. $700 for this one. Oh, this one. It's nice. But how much does this one cost? $1,000. After this rush, I'll take my money, put it there, do some blah blah stuff, do money dance, do a jiggle, and let's see if I can get to the next boss. This should be a little bit of fun. There we go. We got another one. We get the Ray Blaster. I'm just gonna call the Ray Blasters. And the point is in this game, they're not the real points. Just building these guys, and you just kill them, which is kind of cool at the same way. So we're so close to getting. We're not that really close to getting this one again. I'm gonna put it right here when I get it. Right here. And now this should be fun, because I'm just gonna wait and do nothing. I'm just gonna sit back and relax. And oh, dude, it has rockets. It has rockets. You saw that, guys? Did you saw it or that? I don't know. Or I'm just seeing things. Dude, he shoots rockets. What the particle? Okay, this one is this is seriously my favorite one. But the nuke, let's see the nuke. Ho, foofy. We can buy this one. So close to buying this one, but we gotta make this one the best. Come on, where's the boss? What the boss said? What the boss said? Okay, now that I did that, I should probably get some more money. Yes, I should. So, how many more seconds do I have? Sorry if I'm being quiet. I'm just really into this game. I didn't play for over a month or two. So, $570. I'm so close. I'm half there. Wait. So let's see how much money I'm getting. 600. Oh yes. Oh no. Hurry up, Sparkles. What the fuck? I killed him just in time. How much money is that? Okay, I don't have that much, but who cares? Who cares at there? I'm sorry if I'm being quiet. Again. I like the music. Can you hear the music? Let's just be quiet for a second. See the music? I like that music. And I already said that you can fix your tower. I just realized. And you can just press this and block it. Cool. Or just block your tower like a boss. And I'm even close. Oh, I can get the sniper. Let's see the sniper. No. But I get this for so. See how to. No, I'm not gonna make this. Just for 3 business. Oh, we got some slow guys. We got some slow tanks. And tankers, bankers. I belong to bankers. I hurry up. I don't have all day, dude. It goes hurry up. Oh, this guy's so fast. Like blah blah. There's 2 guns and That's right. That's right. So let's see if I can get enough money for the next death ray. That's your. So guys, I just want to death ray. Death ray. I love death rays. I count death rays. I'm sorry if I'm counting death rays instead of death rays, but for now this video is kind of getting long. Sorry guys, but I have to go. See you next video. The next video is going to be a Mario video today, so